Hi there. Stranger danger.
Well, let's change that. I'm Microphone. As you can see, I am a microphone. And you must be Paintbrush and Lightbulb.
Wow, how did she know that?
Microphone! We're the only two left.
I have an idea.
That did nothing but make me deaf.
Oh no! Everybody on my team's out! Except me!
Wow, what a macro win for a microphone.
Yeah!
We need someone who hasn't done much to compete in the next challenge. Yes, you could go too.
I'm the best at challenges. With my secret weapon, you have no chance.
Gee, I don't think that was loud enough. Can you speak louder, please?
I said, with my secret weapon!
Not today!
Mike, I think people have finally figured out your strategy. Screaming at people. And just a side note, it's not working, so please stop.
I'll show them. I'm not screwing this up.
Well, you should totally buy a dare.
Another chair rhyme, huh? Guess what? Nobody cares. What? No!
What was that, Microphone? Okay, clearly you need to be even further from the action. I'll be goalie now.
Hey, Mike, who said you were allowed to relax?
No! I think that scared it away. Ugh, I'm trying harder than everyone else, so why do I always lose? And Mike, remember to listen to your heart.
Dear Mike's diary. Today I accidentally lost the triathlon. Hope no one holds it against me. Dear Mike's diary. I don't always do well in challenges, but they have to understand I sometimes pull through. Dear Mike's diary. I may be loud, but I still go under the radar. Dear Mike's diary. Dear Mike's diary. Dear Mike's diary. Annoying, harmful, random, useless, insignificant, loser.
Stop! What do you want?
All I want is to help. We done? I have no intention of going deaf today.
What are you doing here, Taco?
Microphone, sit down. You're loose cannon. A wild card, if you will. Will you? Take it from last season's loudmouth. Yours truly. Microphone, your moves may be bold, but they should be more precise. That's where I come into play.
So automatically forfeit half of my winnings? Nice try.
Give it a good think. Let me know if necessary. It's your game. You have so much to gain. Seems like you're having some trouble in that maze. I could easily help you out. Left. Right. Wow, you really got yourself jumbled up. Left.
No way. I'm first to finish.
Wow, I'm impressed, Mike. Great work.
Baseball and Nickel are clearly looking for a reason to get Balloon out. Your job is to provide them with that reason.
You're very abstract. You know that, right?
Is this concrete enough for your liking?
You want to paralyze him? What? You don't do that!
Wow, it's almost as if the choice is clear. So let's pounce on these tensions while the time is still ripe.
Pounce? Is this really how you talk? Ugh.
And you know what? I say that I can do this.
Hey, that reminds me of how Soap told me to listen to my heart. She said that while she was walking through the elimination portal. You know, the portal of elimination.
You don't think I'm at risk of getting eliminated, do you?
Oh, no. Definitely not. Well, maybe. No. Wait. Yes.
Yes?
Like I said, pretty brave of you.
Wow, clever.
Thanks! Just don't want to pull a balloon, you know? Look, I know I didn't do what you asked.
No, Microphone. Instead, you found a way to manage manipulation that functioned inside the rules of the game. I'm very impressed.
Giving back this temporary paralyzer, though? My, that's neither strategic nor amusing.
It's the right thing to do.
Ugh, so vanilla. Fine. Just play it cool.
Hey! Hey!
Yes?
Is this yours?
Jeebers, it's not ready yet!
I mean, this machine's ridiculous.
Whoa!
Another chance, perhaps?
What are we gonna tell everyone?
Zilch! That's it! That's your excuse!
If they don't get back here before the end of the challenge...
I'm here! And I was the whole time.
Wouldn't happen to know where Lightbulb and test tube are, would you?
No! I mean, no! Zilch. Knife must be onto us. Nothing we can handle, right?
I doubt he knows much in the way of specifics. I knew Knife. He was just a simple bully. He wouldn't...
Huh.
Remember, we get Knife in our favor by catching his attention.
Sorry, it's hard to hear. Over. It. Achoo! Sorry, excuse me.
A sneeze? A sneeze?
Mike, you blew it! Who says excuse me after you
What?
sneeze?
What am I supposed to say?
Unnecessary.
Bless
I would
me
do all
and
this effort
bless
to make it
myself?
visible to make
You're
this
the one
work,
who's
and
always
you
trying
ruined
to be
it by
proper.
sneezing and
What's your
saying
problem?
something.
Don't hurt me. I'll cut to the chase. Join us. Yeah.
Did my hump make me seem interested? Don't think so.
Well, I see your savagery hasn't devolved since our last encounters. Clearly
Don't
being
get
trampled
me
for
started on
darkness.
morality.
I suppose
I messed
throwing
up,
me
but
isn't
I'm
even
now
comparable
playing this
to
game
roasting
right.
marshmallow alive.
We just want to help.
Rude.
Congratulations on immunity, Knife.
So, it's not a bribe.
Per se.
But, if you want to join us.
Trash.
Huh? So, want to dig into what happened in the lab?
That's quite a reach.
Taco!
You did it! Good job! We love you,
We just want to help! Everyone knows who I am now.
Do we, though?
Pardon?
What are you two? Whoa. Whoa.
I'd like to apologize to you, Mike. I could stand to be a bit more open.
Taco.
She tried to kill me. Open. Say, Mike, has Taco ever mentioned her first alliance?
No, enough!
I hear that one day she just dropped him. If you don't watch out, I guess she'll just have to up and drop you too.
Look, she's changing. If you're not gonna join us, could you just not say anything?
Van and Testube are analyzing everyone, and you don't want them catching you. Watch yourself.
Over here.
Well now, who's left?
Oh. What?
Don't act so surprised. I have been dragging you along for a while now.
Hey, at least till you inevitably drop me too or whatever.
Oh, inevitably.
Hey, test tube. Maybe we can... Huh?
What?
Your secret lab. I meant your secret lab.
Keep tearing apart my trust! And stealing!
That vile thinks she has it all figured out. But even she overlooked the true potential of Meepad's teleportation. While I'm preoccupied, might you be able to do some shopping for me? Buy me some time. It's on sale. In bulk.
Look, Taco and I are equals. I have a voice here. No one's shutting me down. I'm not just being dragged along.
Well, hey, you know what? Guess you are pretty in sync.
Come on, team.
Nice!
Big ladder!
I know what you're gonna say.
Oh no! You murdered him!
Well, yes! Now I can't even say that! Can I? Why'd you murder him?
Sleep mode. But it was an excellent question.
We grabbed Fan, in and out. No violence. This is, I don't know, serious? You have to promise me.
Not necessary. Teamwork prevails.
We come in peace.
Perfect.
Ah, stop! This wasn't the plan.
Aliens rarely are. Steal him back, now!
What happened? Where's the ship? Where's Fan?
See, this is why you listen to me, Mike. Delectable, isn't it? Finally, a taste of recognition. Finally, I can finally...
Is that what you said to Pickle? Make him think he was doing what he wanted? Like he was heard? I thought I gained a friend. Turns out, I gained nothing.
Surely it couldn't have been nothing.
Really, guys, I'm impressed. Especially with you, Mike. You've earned yourself immunity. All right, contestants, I'll read the votes. Okay, first vote, replace ink cartridge.
That won't be necessary.
Microphone, did you take my ink cartridge?
What? No. I haven't been listening to my heart. Instead, I've been listening to this, well, it was a voice in my head. And it would tell me how to go further than I was willing to go. I heard it so often that I never heard myself. So, what's the point? I want out.
But you were really just starting to come into your own, and now there's a voice? What does that mean?
It means I didn't make the best choices. So now I'm making my first good one. This is what I want.
Better walk in front of me, Mike. I don't want you stabbing me in the back again.
Back off. Mike's had enough. You look relieved.
Do I? She's still out there. Watch yourself.
Say hi to Pickle for me.
You didn't even acknowledge the fact that we're attacking people at all!
Ethics will get you nowhere, Microphone.
That's real reassuring to hear coming from you.
Enough!